everybody, and welcome. Today's video we are putting our paid for Boxycharm Base box up against our PR Boxycharm Base box for June 2021. Y'all said you love when I do this whole comparison head to head, and that's what we're talking about today. I did do dedicated videos for both of these boxes. I will leave them down below if you're interested and you don't want to see them go head to head. I mean, why not? I know a lot of y'all request it, but anywho, your girl's rambling. This is like my third video and you think I would get right to the point, but that's not the case here. Anyways, if you are new, hi, my name's Rhonda. I talk a lot, I ramble a lot, but we're all friends. And we keep it cute and put it on mute. You know what I'm saying? It's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where I hope that you join us on our little YouTube journey. I am over also on Hotmess Momma Vlogs, doing a lot of plus-size curvy girl fashion hauls. Also on TikTok and on Instagram at HotmessMomma4. Hopefully you'll join me over there as well. We got so much going on no matter where you turn. So anyways, let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay, so let's go ahead and start off with our paid for box. Now, again, this is the base box. These are $25 a month, free shipping, and, you know, of course, there's tax. So you do get to customize one of the items in here, and you will receive about $125 worth of goodies. We don't pay attention to the grand total. We pay attention to the products in here when I'm choosing my favorite. So jumping right in, of course, we've got a monthly theme going for all of the boxes. It is Dare to Dazzle, and on the other side, all the products that are in here, retail value, little information about everything. Now for the month of June, there was a lot of items that we could choose from as far as our customization went. It was a little confusing, it was a little crazy, but I was really excited to see a little bit of Isle of Paradise in there. Now this is the Body High Glow Self Tan Serum with hyaluronic acid, and you know your girl does have normal to dry skin, so I was super excited to see something like this available. I have tried Isle of Paradise in the past, and I really like it. I like their mousse, and I like their drops that go into your lotion. Now this one goes directly onto the skin, and it does have a retail value of $35. The next item in here, messes with me every time I say it, is by Glam Glow. It's the Super Cleanse Clearing Cream 2 Foam Cleanser. So getting better at saying that. It is a full-size product with a retail value of $32. Now I told y'all in all of my unboxings, I do have the normal to dry skin, and I am a little nervous to use something like this every single day because it does have a lot of detoxifying type of properties in here with the charcoal, as well as it is like oil fighting, mattifying, and clarifying. So I think this is something that I can use maybe in my T-zone area, but again, not every single day. This was a variation. Next item in here is absolutely gorgeous. It is beautiful. I have used it. This is the Touch and Glow highlighter palette. It is in the name, or the name is Glowdient is the name of the palette. It is a beautiful palette. Retail value $34. That's pricey, so I'm happy to get it in a $25 box. So this is what it looks like on the inside, and I told you all you can use these shades individually if you want, or you could just put your brush all over it and, you know, do the darn thing. So it's a really pretty, absolutely gorgeous formula. I feel like it blends or melts, not blends, but melts into the skin really well. It's a highlighter. It's going to show some texture that's totally normal, but I don't feel like it's any type of like formula with like the chunky glitters or anything like that in there. So that is very nice. The next item in this box is the Aceology Overnight Lip Mask, retail value $19, and it's exfoliating, hydrating, and soothing. And we've been seeing a lot of this, and I feel like everybody received this. If you didn't receive it, let me know down below, because everything I've seen on Instagram, it seems like everybody and their mother has received this lip balm. I will say it is nice, and it is very comfortable, and it does work very well. And I do have a lot of backup. And the last item in this box is 2 sheet masks. And I told y'all in my dedicated video I was kind of being like a little brat about it. I mean, literally, it's the same meme, same day, 2 seconds after I finished that video. Here I am filming this one. I really wanted the OPV eyeshadow palette in my paid for box. Unfortunately, I did not get it, and I did receive the sheet mask, kind of like a filler product, not my favorite. Let's go ahead and jump over to my PR box, and you all can be the judge of which box you think is the better box. Okay, so jumping right in, same dealio, same theme. The first item in here that was a choice item was the NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in the shade Dulce Vita. And this is actually surprising at how pretty it is. I mean, when I first saw this, I was like, oh heck no. No. But it is actually really pretty, and it's more of like a stain kind of color than like a thick opacity. You know what I'm saying? Maybe not, I don't know. And it's just so pretty that I feel like it would be a nice like blush shade as well. So that was the first item in here, and it does have a retail value of $27. Again, it was a choice item, but because this was sent to me in PR, I did not get to customize. Next item in here again was by Touch in Sol, and I told you how excited I was to get this palette. When I saw the sneak peek spoilers for it, I was like, oh my gosh, I need that in my life. And again, it is a really pretty palette, and this one I can swatch because the other one I'm going to give away, but isn't that so pretty? Now these definitely, when you mix them all together, have a bronzy gold undertone with them, and then if you just kind of stick over here, you get more of like that champagne-y type of color, but they are very rich, pigmented, and beautiful. Next, of course, we have the Aceology. This I told you, I feel like everybody and their mother got it, so I could be wrong on that, but you know. The next item in here is by Jecca Black. This is a hydrate primer. It is vegan and cruelty free and does have a retail value of $20. I'll be honest with you all, I did receive another primer in one of my other boxes, so I have not tested this one out just yet. But I can tell y'all, I absolutely love the Jecca Black Liquid Corrector 2.0. I use this almost every time I put my makeup on my eye area, and I feel like it just really helps that under eye, especially if you struggle with sinuses and allergies. I feel like you're really gonna like that. Okay, and the last item in here is the Glam Glow Super Cleanse formula. So honestly, when it comes down to it, I think I'm gonna probably give it to my paid for box, because I did get to choose that Isle of Paradise product, and I really like Sunless Tanners. If you can't tell, it's not natural. No, we got cicadas or zucadas or whatever the frick you call them all over the freaking place. Today's a little bit calmer, but I'm not about to go out in that cicada war zone, because those things are freaking nasty. They are nasty. Do y'all have them everywhere? Because Kentucky, like this past weekend, was hell, it was scary. Them things are just off topic. Okay, I'm bringing it back. Anyhow, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and probably give it to my paid for this month. This kind of sealed the deal for me over there. A little bit of a whiny butt, not getting that OPV eyeshadow palette, not the end of the world, but you know, she was hoping. Anyways, y'all, that is all for today's unboxing. I was trying to get through it pretty quick for y'all. Let me know your thoughts down below. I don't know, y'all. I feel like the past couple of months, I haven't been like oohing and ahhing and geeking and freaking over everything like I used to. You know what I mean? I don't know. What are y'all's thoughts? I need to know, because I have a lot of thoughts, but I'm gonna just keep them on the DL for now. I'm gonna see how everything plays out. So anyways, don't forget to follow me on my second channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, for plus size cover girl fashion hauls. Of course, Instagram, TikTok at HotmessMomma4. My bodysuit is from Skims. I do believe it is now available over at Nordstrom. The foundation I have on is by Huda Beauty. I am holding two, yes, because my skin is odd and I have to mix two shades together to get my shade. It's really annoying, but I do have 300N and 320G. And then as far as my blush and highlight go, y'all, I do have the Blink Glow Getter face palette on. I've talked about it in every single video I filmed today. This little palette is gorgeous. It's amazing. It's beautiful, and I definitely recommend it. So I'll have this linked and listed down below. My eyes is my Makeup Geek Matrix Neutral Palette of Heavenly Amazing Goodness. It's back in stock. We love her. And I feel so like profesh when I'm applying that. Okay, I am hopping off for now. Until next time, friends, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.